This is the script I want you to use the next time somebody tries to blow you off. You've got a qualified prospect, you reach out, you call them, and they say, I'm not your person. You need to talk to blank. You need to talk to purchasing, HR. You need to talk to the CFO. It happens to us all the time in sales. We need to start a conversation with this person, and they try and push us off to somebody else. Typically, we make one of two mistakes. A, we either go off on that wild goose chase trying to track down somebody in purchasing, or worse, we say, oh, okay, and we take that prospect off of our list. That's not skillful. Here's what I want you to do the next time somebody says, you need to talk to blank. You need to talk to purchasing, HR, finance, or CFO, whatever it is. I want you to remain calm and I want you to say this. Makes perfect sense. I'll be here when you need blank. And I want the blank to be the outcome. So if you sell sales training like we do, the outcome is not sales training. The outcome is sales and top line revenue. No problem. I'll be here when you need sales and top line revenue. When you leave it with no problem, I will be here when you need the outcome. You're going to leave it in that person's head that you can help them get what they want. And it leaves the door wide open for you to circle back with them in a month, 2 months, 3 months, or maybe even 6 months down the road. Keep that door open. My name's Matt Easton. Consider following me for more tips on how you can be successful in business and life. The world of sales has completely changed. Today's customer has access to more information. Today's customer has more choices. The business world needs you. Studies have shown that 84% of salespeople fail to achieve their goals. The old sales training, well, it just doesn't work today. I'd like to teach you how to take the stress out of selling in a way that's meaningful to you and your customers and get you 7 times more business. I'll show you how the perfect sales process works. I'm gonna walk you through everything from prospecting to closing the deal. I'm going to show you how to determine your prospects' wants and their needs so you can build value in your solutions. You will learn how to handle any objection or complaint. I'm going to show you how to connect with your customer so it's easy for them to buy from you. I've taught the best companies in the world and thousands of people just like you how to hit their targets. Selling is complicated. I'll simplify it for you. There's more competition than ever before. I'm gonna show you how to be number one. All of a sudden, your career is gonna make perfect sense, even if you've never worked in sales or the corporate world before. And for the advanced sales professionals, I'm gonna show you how to take things to the next level. Easton University is a new, simple, step-by-step process that's effective in any industry, large or small. You are about to become a certified master sales consultant. I'm Matt Easton, and this is Easton University.